Okay, moving on to the euro yen. On our monthly time frame here, my sentiment is bullish. I see that we have a strong uptrend. So let's see what's going on with that Fibonacci. Let's run it from the first real deep low, which is in 2000. That fib taken out. And from 2012, looks like we still have this one going here. Currently, just finished that A to B move, so we don't have any information on any retracements at the moment. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that one off, just because we don't have any information right now. What's going on the weekly here? Let's see, let's zoom out a little bit. We got our trend lines here. We see that it's been going up ever since 2012. And let's see, reason why we turned that off, that fib was taken out anyway. We don't have any information. We can continue to turn that off. So, let's see here. Taken out. We're gonna go to that next low, which is here. Taken out. We're gonna go here. We see that low there. Obviously, that's also taken out. So then our most recent fib is going to be somewhere in this pink bubble here, which is in 2020. Turn that one on. So here, May of 2020, and our fib has been running ever since. Uptrend, bullish. Nice. All right, on that A to B move, this A started in May of 2023. B finished in November of 2023, a couple of months ago. And we got a retracement here in December. What retracement did we get? Let's find out. All right, so to get that 61.8, we needed a 153.064, and we got a 153.196. So we did not get that 61.8 retracement. We got that 50% retracement, and this is on that weekly time frame. So Fibonacci rules say red matches with red. Our take profit, when everything's all said and done, is going to be somewhere in here. Thank you for that. All right. Now let's move on to the daily. Let's zoom out. Let's see if that fib is still running, which it is. Perfect. What's going on? We got a deeper pullback into the 118 zone, but we did not get a true retracement here. And when I see this happen, I kind of have this pattern that forms. Basically, when this happens, price will usually come down to at least the 382 before continuing to the extension up here, and this is like 80% of the time that happens. So if I wanted to play this counter, I would put my stop loss somewhere up here, and then I will put my take profit somewhere down here, because I think, oops, okay, all right, thank you, all right. I think price will come down at least to 382 before it continues up here. But that's not always the case. But seeing as we kind of had a reversal here and came back to retest that zone, a reversal here, so I'm gonna, take a chance, put my stop loss here. Now, that's on the daily, right? Oh, let me turn these off so we can get a better understanding of what's happening on the 4 hour. Let's zoom out. Let's see if that fib is still running. And I don't see that it is. We did not get an updated fib. So let's see. We got this one running from March of 2023. So literally a year ago. And based on this information, let me turn this off. Yeah, turn this one off here. Thank you. You see that On an ADB move, we're currently retracing. Now, I marked this pair up several weeks ago, and I had this box here as a zone of awareness. Something was going to happen when price got to this zone, and it did. Price started to reject. Now, I'm already in this trade. That's what this blue line is. I got in, I think, in February, and this is where price currently is. And remember, I was talking about what I normally see when price hits a certain point on that daily. This is that trade that I took. I got in here, put my stop loss up here, my take profits down here, and I'm already up. Now, this has already been a 255 pip move for me, but I don't think it's too late. So what needs to happen? So this is going to be a regular retracement anyway, and we need to see where this retracement will end before continuing up, or if it's just going to take this A out and hit this take profit, which is on that daily time frame. So you have to wait and see. I would put my stop losses accordingly. Now that I'm already up, I most likely will move my stop loss into my take profit zone. That way I can make this a no risk trade. Even if it does hit that stop loss, I'm already in profit. It doesn't matter to me. So for this particular one, I'm actually going off of the daily, not necessarily the 4 hour. And so let's go ahead and revisit that again. Price came into the 127 zone. Oh wait, no, here we go. Let me turn this one off because that's not what I'm going off of. This fib that I just turned off here, this is the 4 hour fib, and I'm using, oops, checking that off. I'm using the daily fib here. And so because price came into the 118 zone here, I shorted, and my take profit's going to be somewhere in here. What confirmations did I get? We got trend line breaks here. Let me try and zoom out a little bit so you can see what happened. So on that 4 hour time frame, I got, let's see, there it is. So this is that most inner trend line. Let me fix it. I got that break, that bearish candle on the back side of that trend line, and then I got a retest and another rejection. So based on this this retest here, let's see. Based on this retest here, let me change the color because we can't see nothing. Yeah, based on this retest here, I did my entry, and you can see that I'm up. Based on what's happening now, there's still a bit of profit to be made here, right? This move literally just started. So if you wanted to do this play, we're risking 680 pips to make 951. And that's based on the move that already started. Now, like I said before, I can't find it now. I was already in this trade, so I risked 441 pips to make that 900 something. So that was a 2-to-1 for me. And I did get my trend line break and my retest before I shorted. So based on other things that's happening in the news as well, I still feel like shorting the yen is the way to go. So that's going to be the euro yen.